What's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little sneak peek of the sample products that are going to be in the Play by Sephora for the month of March. Before we get into that, what is Play by Sephora? It's a $10 monthly subscription, and what you receive is 5 trial size samples and 1 beauty bonus. You also get a Play Pass worth 50 bonus beauty insider point, and I noticed you can use this in-store or online. You also get a playbook packed with tips and tricks. You also get a reusable, recyclable makeup bag and a digital guide full of videos and tutorials for $10 a month. What I like about Play by Sephora, it's always new and upcoming products. So before we get into what these 3 sneak peeks are, I want to remind everyone about our giveaway we have going on in March. It's the 5,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. And we have so many products, it's huge. If you're interested in getting in this giveaway, all the rules and regulations are listed below. So let's get into it. Let's see what these sneak peeks are. Remember, the products that I'll be showing you are full-size products, but the products that you receive in Play by Sephora are trial size samples, not full-size products. In our Play by Sephora March 2019 bag, we will get one of these 3 sneak peeks. The first one is by Goop. It's the Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. This full-size product sells for $32. On the Sephora website, it receives a 4.7 out of 5 with 454 reviews. Now, I personally have this product and I've had it for about a year. It's a totally invisible, weightless, scentless, makeup gripping daily SPF 40 sunscreen. It's for normal, oily, combination, and dry skin. Now, I just want to say it's not for sensitive skin. This product is 100% cruelty free. It's free from parabens, synthetic fragrances, or oxybenzone. Now, you would use this product after you moisturize your face and before you put on your makeup. If you're exposed to sunlight, you have to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Now, what I can personally say about this product, my skin sometimes will get irritated if I'm trying out a lot of different creams on my face. And I noticed that one time I had been doing that. My face was a little irritated. So when I put the sunscreen on my cheekbones, it became very red. If you have sensitive skin, do not try this on your face because it will irritate it. It's not for sensitive skin type skin. Moving on to our second sneak peek. It's from Nars. It's the Powermatte Lip Pigment. A full-size tube of this is $26. This lip pigment receives 4.5 out of 5 stars with 1,019 reviews. That is great. And you'll receive it in the shade American Woman. American Woman is the shade of Chestnut Rose. And as you can see here, I'm showing you on light skin, medium skin, and deep skin how it looks. It's a beautiful color. It's an innovative, weightless, matte liquid lip pigment with ultra flexible lasting wear. It's infused with liquefied pigments. This is a beautiful lip pigment. Sneak peek number 3. The third possible sneak peek is from IT Cosmetics. Cofidence in a Cleanser, a skin transforming, hydrating, cleansing serum. That's right, it's a combination cleanser and serum all in one. You can buy this in 2 different sizes. $28 you'll get 5 ounces, and you can get a travel size for $12, which is 1.7 ounces. This cleanser is for any skin type. This is a revolutionary one-step skincare solution to cleanse and hydrate while leaving skin feeling soft and refreshed. It's a solution for dryness, dullness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. Now, I also have this product, and I love it. I have super dry skin, and when I use this cleanser, it hydrates my skin. Usually when I use a liquid soap type product, it dries out my skin, but this one does not do that. So these are the 3 trial size samples that you can possibly receive in your March 2019 Play by Sephora bag this month. That is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 40, the Nars Powermatte Lip Pigment, or IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cleanser. Thank you so much for watching my Play by Sephora sneak peeks. Until I see you again, please share and subscribe. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And take care until I see you again. Bye.